Daily Forex. This is Chris. Taking a look at the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. The Canadian dollar has rallied a bit during the trading session here on Wednesday after the Bank of Canada sounded a little less likely to cut rates rapidly, and that has people looking for the loonie to pick up strength. That being said, this is still a market that I'm looking for selling opportunities in. And I do think the fact that we are testing the 50-day EMA and a downtrend line coming into the picture to offer a bit of a roof. If we can break above there, then the 0.58 level is an area that I'd be looking to short as well. But ultimately, this is a continued downtrend that I think, despite the fact that we've seen a little bit of a boost during the trading session on Wednesday, it more likely than not will end up being a short covering rally more than anything else. If we can break above the 0.5850 level, then possibly we could see a complete turnaround. But overall, this is a market that I think is going to look to the 0.56 level, an area that was a recent swing low and has seen a lot of buyers. But if we were to slice through that level, it'd be horrific for the Canadian dollar. And the Swiss franc, of course, would start to probably appreciate not only here, but against multiple other currencies as well. I do think we're in the midst of trying to get a little bit of weakness in the Swiss franc, but I don't know that the Canadian dollar is where I'm going to be looking to do that. So, with all of that being said, I think we've got a situation where I'm looking for signs of exhaustion to take advantage of, that I can start selling as the trend is still very strong, and it's probably worth noting that the overall downtrend has been rooted in longer term fundamentals, as well as there are a lot of questions out there for trying to understand whether or not we have any type of switch in the overall attitude of global markets, not just the Swiss franc. And until things get really exciting and really risk on, I think you continue to see this thing just fall apart. I'm looking for signs of exhaustion to take advantage of.